Grandpa Walt. We're in Shakopee, and they're doing some switching into the Rahr Malting company. So I thought I'd stop and take some video of them doing that. Grandpa Walt, and again we're in downtown Shakopee. They're doing some switching into the Rahr Malting company on the Mankato Subdivision. Some nighttime switching operation here. You can see it basically splits the street. Traffic on both sides of the track. Oh, a nice old Chicago Northwestern. High cube there. It's like a new UP boxcar, high cube. A lot of cars with this loco here. I think they had a busy night switching. Yeah, they're heading towards the Valley Park classification yard in Shakopee. Alright, there you go. Yeah, that was pretty long for this local in Shakopee here, so. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, please subscribe. Have a great evening. Grandpa Walt just videoed this local in downtown Shakopee at the Rahr Malting Company. And now I went down the road, and this is Valley Fair in Shakopee at night. Kind of cool. Got the lights going. Oh yeah. Great place to visit in the summer, obviously. And we got the local coming down the track here. Okay, here comes the local, getting closer. He's sure moving awfully slow though. It's just one diesel, but he does have a lot of cars behind him here. Grain cars, box cars. Again, he was switching. I caught him at the Rahr Malting Company. Nice horn salute, thank you. Awesome. And they're heading towards the Valley Park classification yard. Okay. Stopping, not sure why. Again, this train came from, I caught it in the Rahr Malting Company. Okay, let's see what they do here. Okay, getting some nighttime switching action here, obviously. Looks like they're going to be taking a cut of cars and going across this crossing here. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's dark, but they're going to cut out some cars. There goes the conductors down that way. Got Valley Fair all lit up behind back there. But obviously they're going to need to take a cut of these cars and switch them into these industries that are right to my left here. Okay, looks like the conductor cut a bunch of cars out. Now it's moving forward. See a bunch left behind on the main back there. Yep, and there's the conductors. I got two of them here. See with their flashlights there. Okay, hopefully this is not too dark, but this train is backing up across this street here. And they're cutting some of these cars into the factories that are right behind me here. So cool. Sharp curve, very noisy. Cool. Alright. Hope you guys liked the video. Thumbs up, please subscribe. Have a great evening.